Hi everyone, welcome to Life Made Simply. My name is Nikki, and in today's video I want to share with you how to organize your winter accessories. So with winter here, there's a lot of accessories and they're very heavy and bulky, such as boots, coats, scarves, and gloves, everything in between. So today I want to share with you how you can organize them. If you are new here to my channel, I invite you to subscribe to be notified of more tips videos like these. You can also follow me on my social media. I will have the links down below, as well as more information you need for this video. Start by laying out your accessories. In this case, I'm using my daughter's. You can do the same for your scarves, gloves, and other outerwear. Divide them into bins of your choice, being sure each sock or glove has its pair. Choosing a clear bin helps you see what you have, and these are also easily stackable. Many stores have New Year sales on organization products going on, so check your store near you. Having labels also helps kids know what belongs where. This is totally optional, but this label maker and other products shown are linked in the description box below. I think a label maker is an essential for an organized home for the new year. For little shoes, I wanted hidden storage, so I found a storage ottoman that holds shoes with removable dividers. You can also store full-size shoes in there too. It serves as a seat and storage, and you can find them online or in-store at affordable prices. For kids' coats, have them on hangers where it's easy for them to see and reach. With bulkier coats, it takes less room hung than it does folded. With accessories organized, you can easily see what you have and have it at arm's reach. For our entryway, I added a stylish runner, a low-profile shoe rack, and our storage ottoman. Place your frequently used shoes and boots near your entryway with taller boots at the top. The tiers help you save space and store more shoes neatly. For your coats and jackets, finding a coat rack that matches your interior style will make them easily accessible. I have ours in the corner entry of our bedroom, or if you're tight on space, try using over-the-door hooks. By doing all of these things, your winter accessories will be easily accessible and organized for you and your family. It definitely helps us when we're getting ready to go out and saves us time knowing where everything is. For more tips like these, be sure to watch my seasonal closet transition tips video and my closet organization tips. I hope you guys had a great happy new year, and please leave me a comment down below letting me know what type of organization videos you'd like to see in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and got some great tips that you can use for this winter season. Leave me a comment down below letting me know how you organize your winter accessories. Some of the best tips are from you guys. The Simple Life Society. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!